Hi, this is Michael from MK Tech and Travel TV. Thank you for tuning in to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, likes, comments, and share. Thank you. Hello everyone. I hope you're doing well today. And today I will be discussing about what are the default settings in Windows 10 that we need to change after installation. So at number 1, we need to create a local account. When you install Windows 10, especially the Home Edition, you are prompted to log in to create Microsoft account. But it is proven that hackers and bad guys can intercept your connection. For that reason, we need to create a local account for better performance and for better privacy and security. So, we'll go to Settings, Account. So here, I am already logging in as administrator in my local account. At number 2, pin the settings and the control panel to our taskbar. With this, it is easy to access settings and control panel whenever you want to change any settings in your PC. So we will go to settings again, right click the settings and more, and pin to taskbar, and we will type the control panel. We will right click, pin to taskbar. So now it is here in our taskbar, our control panel, and our settings. At number 3, we will enable storage sense. With storage sense turned on, Windows will automatically delete temporary and unnecessary files in your PC, especially in our recycle bin. So we will go to the settings again. We will go to System, Storage Sense, and turn it on like this. At number 4, we need to turn off unnecessary settings in our privacy section to stop Microsoft from collecting our personal data and for better privacy. Guys, in my other video, I will be discussing more on how to stop Microsoft from spying on us. So I will go to settings again, privacy, and the general tab. All this we need to turn off. In our speech tab, we'll also turn off this one. In our inking and typing personalization, we need to turn off also. And our diagnostic and feedback, we need to turn off also. This one. In our active history, we'll uncheck this one and turn off this one. And in our location, you need to turn off also our location here. And lastly, in our privacy section, we will go to the background apps. Guys, by default, all these applications in Windows 10 will automatically turn on whenever we open our Windows 10. So I will turn this off. And the 5th one that we need to change is we will create a desktop shortcut for our favorite folders, like for example, downloads, document folders, videos folders, pictures, music, and this PC. So we'll go to our file explorer, and we will just simply drag and drop these folders to our desktop. And also this PC. So whatever the files in here in these folders, we can easily access this, guys, because these folders are here in our desktop. Okay, and the 6 settings that we need to change is we will separate every open file, open folder, open program in our taskbar. So we will right click our taskbar setting, and in here combine taskbar button, so I will change this to never. With this, guys, whenever we will open a program file or folders, it will automatically add another button in our taskbar. At number 7, we will unpin all the default application in our taskbar, like for example the Microsoft Office, the Mail, the Microsoft Store. So I will right click this one and unpin. At number 8, we need to change the power plan to high performance. With this, the performance of our PC is increased. So I will go to System, Power and Sleep, and Advanced Settings, and we will create a new power plan. So we'll choose high performance. Next, create. At number 9, we need to set our advanced system settings to adjust for best performance. With this, we are conserving our graphic resources, guys. So we will go to settings, system, about, advanced system settings, visual effect. Guys, this is the default, but we need to change this to adjust for best performance. See here, but we will check some of the items here, like for example this one, smooth edge for screen font, and also show thumbnails instead of icons. Apply. Okay. At number 10, guys, we need to turn off our gaming mode. With gaming mode turned off, we are stopping the gaming mode services in our PC, and also we are conserving our PC resources. So we'll go to settings again, gaming, Xbox game bar. At default, guys, this is turned on, but we will turn it off. And gaming mode, at default this is turned on, and we will turn this off. Okay. At number 11, we will show hidden files and also unhide extension file types. So I will go to control panel, file folder option, view. The default, guys, is don't show hidden files, folders and drives, but they will show this one. And here, hide extension for non-file types. The default is this one is checked, but we will uncheck this one. So we will click apply and okay. With this, guys, there is some folders in our PC that we cannot see. It is hidden, but some programs will use it to hide their executable. That's why we need to unhide it. Coming up at number 12, we will open our file explorer to this PC. so that whenever we open this PC, it will open our folders. Okay, so we'll go to our control panel again, File Explorer option. You can see in the General tab, open File Explorer to Quick Access, but we will change this to this PC. Apply and OK. At number 13, we need to disable our transparency effect. With this, we can conserve our graphic resources, guys. So we'll go to settings again, personalization, color, and at default this one is turned on, but we will turn this off. Okay, at number 14, we need to disable allow downloads from other PC. So we will go to our settings again, update and security, delivery optimization, and turn this off. If we turn on this one, our PC is like a bot working in our network, so we need to turn this off. At number 15, guys, we need to change our background color to dark, so we will go to settings again, personalization, color, and choose your color, choose dark. So see, guys, our background now is dark. With all these setting tweaks, right after installing Windows 10, we can have a better performance for our PC, and also our PC is more secure than ever. So guys, in my next video, I will be discussing on how to optimize Windows 10. So thank you.